ऑलराइट वेलकम बैक टू माय वीडियो गाइस वन मोर वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए और बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग मीटिंग होने वाली है। जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने देखा था कि वो खिड़की से कूद गई थी और हम उसको बचा नहीं पाए थे। मैंने अभी भी इस गेम को खेला है तकरीबन आधा घंटा पहले और मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया इस गेम को। सारी जो मेरी सेव की पोजीशन थी वो अब कंटिन्यू करके ही मेरे को आगे लेके जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इसमें कोई चैप्टर तो
Oh
होते नहीं कि मैं
man,
लोड कर
you know
लेता
what
हूँ और वो
just
सेव
jumped
हो
into my
जाए।
head just completely
आ,
randomly? That show in
चलो
the
आगे से शुरू करते
it
हैं
was a
बिना किसी
horse
देरी के।
ranch
जो लोग
or
न्यू
a
है
horse
चैनल पे प्लीज़
farm,
वो सब्सक्राइब
but
कर लेने का।
that
मैंने
makes it
लास्ट
sound
वीडियो
like
में
they have a
एक्चुअल
little
में क्या किया,
cabbage
मैंने
patch
वो
full
लास्ट
of
वीडियो में इसको
horses.
सेव कर लिया था रैन को, और अब मैं दोबारा से नीचे आ गया हूँ।
Wait, there
तो
was a
अब देखते हैं क्या
show
होता है यहाँ पे।
at a horse ranch? No, a year ago out in Salem, we took over a stable and our band played and you ditched that test again, right? To bring us a new amp? Cuz during the sound check, we blew ours. None of
What about tonight made this pop into your head? Is it just because we're like outside?
I don't know, but I can't believe you didn't tell Jonas this story yet. She had already blown off this like super important for school placement aptitude test once, and
Why'd you do that?
I think she was indisposed. I can't even remember.
जाना कहाँ पे? अच्छा टावर
Anyways,
पे जाना है।
she was gonna retake it, and on the
ठीक
day
है।
of, I had to emergency call her way out in the just picture like Little House on the Prairie.
I don't know what that is.
It's a really? You don't know what Little House on the Prairie is?
Wait, you blew off an important test to get him an amp? Really? That was a thing you did?
Yeah, no, total super friend status, you know? And the funny part is, I'd taken that same test after dosing a bunch of cough medicine and I still
लास्ट
aced it, so she would have blown it
तुम
out of the
बोलो
water.
पहले।
And even knowing that, she still came out to help me. That's awesome, right?
I don't know. I think you probably should have taken the test.
Really? Even if at the time she didn't care? How come?
चलो भाई चल बाहर निकल यहाँ से। लास्ट टाइम रैन को जब हमने बचाया था, पता नहीं इसको भूत भूत कुछ चिपड़ गया था वहाँ पे। तो ये पागल सा हो गया था, हमने इसको बचाया रेडियो सिग्नल खोल के। और फिर रेडियो सिग्नल के बाद हम वहाँ से होते हुए यहाँ पे आए थे। वो जो पहले का सारा पार्ट है मैं सेव नहीं कर पाया, उसको मैं खेल नहीं पाया। इसलिए अब दोबारा से मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ इस गेम प्ले को, बट अब वो वाला पार्ट तो मैं नहीं खेल पाऊँगा क्योंकि वो तो मिस हो चुका है। तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि लास्ट टाइम हुआ क्या था। रैन को हमने वैसे बचाया था वहाँ पे, इसको कुछ चिपका हुआ था तो हमने रेडियो सिग्नल चलाया, फ्रीक्वेंसी की, फिर हमारी बातचीत हुई। वो रेडियो, वो जो
Oh,
बंदे रेडियो में बोल रहे थे पहले
this
भी।
isn't. This is
और
just
अब
cutting
हम
out a
यहाँ पे
spigot
आ रहे
in the
रेडियो।
roof thing, isn't it?
She's adorable, isn't she?
Ugh. My God, is this what I sound?
वहाँ से बोल रही है वो। देखते हैं क्या है, वहीं जाके पता चलेगा। चल पड़ो भाई चल पड़ो।
Oh, hey guys. I see you down there. And without Clarissa. Actually, I'm gonna stop talking since obviously isn't working. So just come on up and you can help or something. God, this stupid thing.
She doesn't sound good, right? She sounds a little off.
I don't know her well enough.
I don't know. Sounded normal to me. Maybe a little frustrated with how everything's going.
I'm so glad I took that second brownie.
What?
It's kind of, it's just about to start doing its thing.
Wait, Ren, we need you sober right now. We need you capable. How could you be so stupid?
Wait, you're not messing with us? You seriously took another one?
It was like half of one, all right? It's just to level me out. It'll
ऊपर
bring
आ
me
जल्दी
back up.
फटाफट से सारे।
That's what it.
Fine. If that's what it takes to get you through the night, then okay. Great.
I don't need it. I just needed it now.
Oh, God.
This thing doesn't work.
Not getting
वो
anything.
पड़ी।
I'm getting something, but it's like I don't know.
Hey, Nona. Night's still going, huh?
We heard you on the speaker system. You got that working?
That's about all I got working. Sorry I was like weird earlier. But hey, have you figured out what's going on yet? You have to know something. You've been
It's been ghosts, Nona. Ghosts are going on. The blackouts, the hallucinations, it's all been ghosts.
ghosts? Really?
Yeah, and it would really help if you could just jump to the believing us part. Would save a headache.
Oh, I got it. This is great. This is perfect. I know exactly what to do.
Do you?
Yeah, totally.
ओए
It's
बत्ती
Maggie
जल रही
Adler.
लाल.
Maggie Adler?
Yeah, she has a boat. Had a boat. I mean, the boat's still here, but
Ren, what? You could have mentioned this at any point. I mean, we walked right past
I
it.
know. I'm sorry. But I've been like stewing in my own panic here for the last couple hours. My sister Allie worked at the parks office in town. She had to deliver that old woman her mail every day. I know that they have the key.
Okay, so
No,
we're gonna...
we are not. We are
बच
not
लो
gonna
बेटा,
go with the
तुम
plan. The
मरोगे
first
तुम.
plan put forth by the group's resident burnout.
Hey, come on. I'm not a burnout. Okay, so I ate like 2 brownies.
Yeah, and one of them was after you knew everything had gone to hell, so...
To balance out. To balance me out. That's it.
Ren, understand it is completely your fault that we're
अभी
in
क्या
this to
बकवास
begin
बाजी
with.
कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
Sorry. Carry on.
But Ren, look at reality. You dragged us
Cold
out
radio
here.
though.
You had Alex bring the little death machine.
Stop saying it.
Shut up, everybody. Look, here's something cool. A phone. Let's stop making Alex uncomfortable and talk about this instead.
Look, Jonas, it should be obvious to even the cheap seats that you're the only new weirdo who throws this whole social harmony thing we got going on out of whack. I mean, we all grew up with each other. Alex knows she can...
Guys, you know there's no television cameras here, right? Take the energy down a notch.
Alex, I am not putting my life in his hands. This whole thing has been a complete joke to this guy. I can't believe you're even kind of defending him.
Jonas.
The stories I heard about this guy, he's a maniac, okay? He's gonna trash our only legitimate means of getting out of here if you buy into this crap.
Legitimate means? What are you even talking about? You have no idea if there's a boat down there still.
Just guys, please stop. We can fight on the way home.
ये बातें मारते
After
रहेंगे
we
बस और
get
कुछ
the
नहीं हो रहा यहाँ
boat,
पे.
And I guess if that's even what we're doing.
Look, I don't care what Caveman Jonas says. There
What
is a
that?
boat at Maggie Adler's house. And the key to her house is back on Main Street.
And the backup plan for when this thing fails spectacularly is 2 of us have to stay here by the semi-functioning walkie-talkie.
Fine by me. Alex has the radio. Are you okay to go into town? Not that you wouldn't be okay.
Honestly, anything to get me off this tower and away from this specific configuration of yelling people would do wonders for me right now.
You shouldn't go alone. We don't need like 3 of us up here.
Yeah, I'll totally go. It's my, like, brilliant idea or whatever.
Are you kidding? Your food is gonna start kicking in any second.
करना
Beyond
क्या
that, you're a
है?
completely unreliable basket case.
I am not a basket case. You,
Just shut up, both of you.
sorry.
Okay, keeping in mind who you've been able to depend on the whole night.
Yes, keeping in mind who
मर
you're
जाओ
tired
तुम
of.
तो गुद्दी भी
Keeping in
दोनों
mind
के.
who's taller, who do you want coming with you?
Jonas, let's go.
Ah, thank you.
What? First you let me sweat it out for like 2 hours in the woods to go gallivanting around with this guy, and now you're still picking him over me? Him?
Rin, come on. It'll be fine. We'll watch the walkie-talkie.
Ren, you ate another brownie. What do you expect me to do?
I expect you to, like, care. I expect you to think, hey, maybe Ren needs some support. Just fine, whatever. Have fun, you two.
This isn't fun. That's the point.
Oh, God. Will you just shut up?
Okay, before things get stupid again, good luck with the whole key thing.
ले
We'll be
अब की
waiting
पे
there
लेने
with-
जाओ. बैंगन बनाया हुआ मैंने. सही.